This workshop that we are now organizing through Experiential AI talks to the Statistical Hydrology community. The Statistical Hydrology community belongs firmly within the broad climate and water communities, and also has been a leading community in terms of bringing various kinds of data science methods, whether it's from computational statistics and nonlinear dynamics or machine learning and AI. Some of the methods they have built have, of course, helped in water and climate sciences, but even gotten beyond. So the idea here is to get this community, try to develop some ideas at the intersection of statistics and machine learning, and also water and climate, see what emerges, and hopefully this will be useful both for the community to understand what we are doing in AI for climate and sustainability, and for us to understand how we can benefit in what we do. Thank you very much.